It was my birthday. I opened my eyes slowly. The sunlight came through my window. I smiled. Today was special. I was 9 years old. I waited in my bed. I listened carefully. Maybe someone would come to my room, but the house was quiet, very quiet. I got out of bed and walked to the kitchen. My mother was making coffee. She looked busy. "Good morning," she said. She did not smile. She did not say anything special. I felt confused. Maybe she forgot. My father came into the kitchen. He looked at his phone. "Good morning," he said. That was all. No happy birthday. My heart felt heavy. I went to school and waited for my friends. They talked about homework. They talked about games. No one said anything about my birthday. At lunchtime, I sat alone. I looked at my hands. I felt small. I thought people remembered. After school, I walked home slowly. The sky was gray. The wind was cold. I kicked a small stone on the road. I tried not to cry. When I opened the door, the house was dark. No lights, no sound. I felt even worse. I walked to my room and sat on my bed. I did not want to cry, but my eyes felt wet. Then suddenly, the lights turned on. "Surprise!" I jumped up. My parents were smiling. My sister was laughing loudly. There were balloons everywhere. Colorful balloons. There was a big cake on the table. My name was written in chocolate. "Happy birthday!" they shouted. I could not speak. I felt warm inside. Tears came to my eyes, but this time, they were happy tears. "I thought you forgot," I said. My mother hugged me tightly. "We would never forget," she said. "We wanted to surprise you." My father smiled. "You are very important to us." I understood something important. Sometimes silence is not forgetting. Sometimes love is planning something special. That night, I went to bed smiling. I was 9 years old, and I felt very loved.